Alright, this is the 500C display for Bafang. And so to turn it on, the power button is right here. You're going to hold it for 3 seconds until you see the screen light up. So now, once the screen is lit up, right here on the screen is your pedal assist level. You can go up and down with plus and minus. 0 is all your power. 5 is pretty much doing all the work for you. This is the voltage up here in the top right corner of the screen. 58 volts is full, 45 volts is empty. You always want to go by the voltage and not by this little battery indicator, or you'll be stranded. Your speed reads here, and if you notice your speed not reading, it most likely has to do with this back here, which is your speed sensor. And you can see there's a magnet that passes your speed sensor, and that's how the trike measures your speed. If it doesn't measure your speed for a significant amount of time, it will not assist you anymore. Right here on your battery is the charge port. So you're just going to plug the charger in right there. This toggle switch needs to be on for the system to turn on. So you can turn it off when you're removing the battery or just taking it on and off for any reason. But it does need to be on, just like that, the 1, to be for the system to turn on. To unlock the battery and remove it, the key is right there. You do have to hold the key to turn it, and then you're just going to push it off from the end. Right here is your throttle, and this will just make the trike go. That's pretty much it. Thank you.